Go.
This is my Super Swirl Cliff Marble Run. All you need is a few materials, marble slides and some marbles. First thing you do is you put the marbles in the star. Just be careful not to block. You see how they're going down? That's because the power of the slides are making it go down. Some of the marbles really it's also a marble race.
Do it again, and I'll do it from up here too, so we can see the marbles go down the slide.
Yeah, I just have to wait for the other marble to go down. Or you could do this. You could separate them. Put one in there. Put one in here. Put one in there. Put one in. Put one in here. Put one in there. And put one in here. And I'll just repeat the whole ceremony again. And you kind of see here the ending is right here. Oh, the finish line, but it's not. The ending is right here. It's kind of cool that the marble run is pretty big. It has different starts though. One is a one start and one is a two. Or what you could do is you could do this. Put them all in the thing.